Hello, P3 students. Welcome again in our math free class. And again, this is Miss Claire. Welcome to chapter 5. So this video will talk about 2D and 3D shapes. Are you ready to learn the lessons for chapter 5 P3? Come on, let's start. So in this video P3, you will learn 3 topics. We have lesson 1, classify and sketch 2D shapes. Lesson 2, regular and irregular polygons. Are you familiar with polygons? And lesson 3, classify and sketch 3D shapes. Okay, come on, let's start, children. Take a look here. Okay, I have here 2 children. They are talking about different shapes. Okay, they have a game. They are going to sort or group the objects or the shapes. How are they going to group them? So one boy said that he can sort it by sorting the 2D and 3D shapes. So how do they know if a shape is a 2D and a 3D shape? In what other ways can they sort these shapes? If you are the children here in this picture, children, how are you going to sort or group these shapes? Can you also sort them based on 2D and 3D shapes? Do you understand what are 2D shapes and what are 3D shapes? Okay, stay in this video and I will discuss more about this. Okay, P3, let's start with lesson A, classify and sketch 2D shapes. Okay, I have here some objects. Easy puts some shapes into 2 groups. So we have not polygon and polygon. Do you think Easy is correct when he put these shapes into 2 groups? What is a polygon actually? Do you know what are polygons? Or do you agree with how Easy groups the shapes? Why? Okay. So which group should Easy put this shape into? Take a look at the shape here. Do you know what shape is this? This one. If Easy will put this one, is it a not polygon or a polygon? Okay, let's continue P3. Okay. Polygons or not polygons. Lee means sorts some shapes into the table as shown. Take a look here. We have polygon, the shape A, B, D, and E. Not polygon is the shape C. This is a protractor. And the shape F, this is a dartboard, right? So why these 2 are not polygon? A polygon, P3, is a 2D shape with straight edges or straight sides. A polygon is a closed shape. It can have 3 sides, 4 sides or more, as long as all the sides are straight and it is a closed shape. So shape A, B, D, and E are polygons. These are triangles. This is a mirror. Then we have here an umbrella in a shape of a pentagon, the shape D, and shape E is a hexagon. Okay. On the other hand, shape C and F are not polygons. Why? Because shape C is a semicircle. It's a protractor. It's a half of a circle. It has a straight edge, but it has a curved side or a curved edge. Shape F is a circle, of course. It has a curved edge. It has no straight edge. So these 2 shapes are not polygons. So that's the difference between polygon and not polygon. Okay, is it clear, P3 now? So can you think of other polygons or can you sketch them? Let's try to sketch them during our class. Okay. Now let's continue with the next one. Okay, take a look here. Idris patterns. Idris draws some patterns with polygons. We have pattern A and pattern B. These are repeating patterns. Okay. In pattern A, the polygon used is a triangle. This is a triangle, right? This one single shape here is a triangle. So this is a pattern. This is a repeating pattern of a triangle. For the pattern B, the shape is Can you name what shape is this? It has 5 sides. This is called a pentagon. A shape that has 5 sides, it's called a pentagon. So this is the single or the unit shape of this pattern, okay? Let's continue. So both of those shapes, children, are polygons because the sides are straight. Okay, we have pattern C and pattern D. Pattern C, the polygon used is A. This is an inverted T, right? Or this one. This one is also a T, a letter T. It looks like a letter T pattern. And what other patterns can you think, children? Can you think of other patterns that you can make them together and make a pattern? For pattern D, it is consists of 2 shapes. Can you think of that one? Yes, it is consists of a hexagon and a rhombus. What is a rhombus? The red one. A rhombus, children, is a 4 sides shape. All sides are equal. Okay? All sides are equal. That is, but it is not as straight as a square. So this pattern D, is consists of a hexagon. It's called hexagon with the yellow one, this one, or the green one here, because it has 6 sides. A polygon with 6 sides is called a hexagon. So this is a hexagon. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Now let's study about regular and irregular polygons. Are you familiar with regular polygons? So what is the name of this group of shapes, children? Can you name them? This is a square. This is 6 sides, a hexagon. This is a rectangle. This one is how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an octagon. A shape that has 8 sides is called an octagon. Okay, so these are all polygons because the sides or the edges are straight. Okay, but we have to identify which one are the regular polygons and the irregular polygons. Okay. Hess measures the edges of its shape. She sorts them into 2 groups. How does she sort them? Can you classify the shapes, children? Can you think of the shape, which one that the edges are or the sides are all equal? Example, this is a square. All sides of a square, children, are all equal. A hexagon also all sides are equal. But in a rectangle, this one are shorter side, but this one is the longer side, so they are not all equal. The octagon, all sides are all equal. Okay? So the shape that all sides are equal are the square, the hexagon, and the octagon. The rectangle is not the same in all sides. So that's how we sort these objects or these shapes. Okay. We have here Anne's objects. Anne has 8 objects of different shapes. She sorts them into regular and irregular polygons. The regular polygon are shape A, clock, a triangular clock. Shape B, a pizza box or a pizza. Shape C is an umbrella, I guess, in a shape of a pentagon. And we have here a shape D. It has 6 sides. This is a hexagon. A regular polygon P3 has straight and equal edges. Shape A, B, C, and D are regular polygons. Why? Because all sides are the same length. This triangle, all the edges are equal. A square, all sides or edges are equal. Pentagon, all edges are equal, and the same with the shape. On the other hand, when we talk about irregular polygons, the edges are not equal. How? This one and this one, this side are equal. They are the same. But this side is a longer side. This is not all equal. This one is shorter than this. This one and this one are different sides of this. So the sides or the edges are not equal, so they are irregular. The same with this earring and this arrow. So all of these 4 shapes are irregular polygons because they do not have equal edges. That's the reason why they are irregular polygons. And sketches a rectangle. A rectangle is an irregular polygon. Why? Because not all sides are equal. Okay, P3, let's continue for lesson C. Classify and sketch 3D shapes. Are you familiar with 3D shapes, children? Look at the shape. Can you name this one? Yes, this is a pyramid tent. What is a pyramid, P3? Take a look here. It has a triangular base here. And it has 4 triangular faces on the side. This one here, it has 4 triangular faces. And there is a vertex at the top. So all the triangular faces will meet at the vertex. So this is a pyramid. Okay. How many triangular and rectangular faces does this 3D shape have? Are you familiar with this box? It has 2 triangular on both sides. And all the sides here are rectangle. Okay, can you name this one? If you know the name, you can share that during our class. Okay, let's study now about pyramids. These are pyramids, P3. Their bases are polygons. The base of this pyramid is a triangle. This one is a rectangle. This one is a pentagon because it has 5 sides. This is a hexagon because it has 6 sides. Then on this part are triangular faces. All pyramids has triangle faces on the sides and they meet at a vertex. It has 1 vertex here. So these are pyramids. Their names are based on their bases. So this is a triangular pyramid, a rectangular pyramid, a pentagonal pyramid, and a hexagonal pyramid. The sides are different polygons that are different in shape. The number of triangle sides here is based, children, on the name or the shape on the base. Now let's move on to prism. Are you familiar, children, with prisms? These prisms have different names. We have triangular prism, rectangular prism, pentagonal prism, and hexagonal prism. Prisms have 2 bases. They are identical shapes that face each other. The base is a polygon, and all the other faces are rectangles. If you remember the pyramid before, it has only 1 base at the bottom and it has a vertex on the top. But prisms, they have 2 bases on top or bottom or left and right. And all the other faces are rectangles. So these are different kinds of prisms. Can you name different other types of prisms? If you know, you may share that during our class. Okay, Easy sees some objects. She sketches the 3D shapes. Take a look here. Are you familiar with this shape? Yes, this is a cube. So she sketched this one. This is a cube. This one is a chest or a box. This is a cuboid. And this calendar is a triangular prism. So she sketched 2 squares, then joined the vertices of the squares to form a cube. Similarly, sketch 2 triangles forming the cuboid and 2 triangles for a triangular prism. So this is how to sketch a 3D shape. Okay, P3, that's all about Chapter 5, 2D and 3D shapes. So in this video, you have learned Lesson 1, classifying and sketching 2D shapes. Lesson 2, regular and irregular polygons. And Lesson 3, classifying and sketching 3D shapes. I will discuss more about this lesson during our class. I hope that you'll learn a lot in this video. Thank you for watching, and always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and enjoy your day.